So some in the industry refer to SIM, or Security Incident Event Monitoring. A lot of people will also talk about MDR, which is Managed Detection and Response, and sometimes they're interchangeable, oftentimes they're not. Some MDR companies get offended when you call them a SIM and vice versa. But in a nutshell, what Managed Detection and Response is active technology inside of your environment, typically sitting on your network and on your systems, that can alert your Security Operations Center or your SOC, whether that's an internal SOC or an outsourced SOC, in real time to anomalous activity or threats that are taking place on your network. Now, some people might confuse that with antivirus detection or something like that, or even your firewall. It really isn't. It's connected to those tools, and it's actually pulling the data from those tools, and it's correlating that data to find real-time threats faster than those individual systems can find them on their own.